everybody. Just got word that we can reoccupy my neighborhood of Boulder Creek. So I'm headed up the hill, headed through the valley to see what everything looks like. Still don't have power, I don't believe, and definitely can't, well, not supposed to be drinking the water, which is pretty lame. Some damage to the water storage, something or other, and a pipe that was made out of plastic and flexible, and so they don't really know yet. I think if it's contaminated, supposedly. We're just waiting on some test results. But for now, we are not to drink, not to boil, and I believe showering and laundry is discouraged. So I don't know how much this is like going home to no power and no water, but hey, at least I get to take a look at the house. Should be interesting to see what the highway looks like on the way home. Hopefully it didn't get too smoked out. Fire never crossed over the highway into my neighborhood, so the house should still be good. I'm sure it is. I know it is. Don't know about the level of smoke that was in the area, though. It was pretty smoky when I went up there a couple days after we were evacuated, and I imagine it only got worse. And I'm not looking forward to opening my refrigerator or my freezer. That'll be interesting as well. So yeah, heading on down Graham Hill. First pass through will be Felton, which Felton wasn't hit itself, I don't think, but just up Felton Empire Road was. I've seen a couple little videos of like the Fall Creek area. They were able to save the lime kilns in the little hiking area there, so that's cool. Looks like there's still quite the camp over here. Diving down the hill into Felton. Not too smoky. The old Roaring Camp railroads. Take your kids. Little dune buggy. Man, 3 weeks. 3 weeks I haven't been through here. Almost 3 weeks. It's like a vacation in that you have to sleep on somebody else's bed, and except you have to still go to work. Yeah, just straight ahead. You go up that hill. Fire right up there. Was. Looks like it's open down here. Surprises me a little bit. I didn't look that closely at the map where the stoppage is. Well, that's good. Looks good from here. Good old Rocky's Cafe. Ben Lomond here. The bakery is going. Interesting vehicle. All looks pretty good through here. Kind of incredible. Everything seems like it's back to normal around here. So far, so good. Alba Road, I did a video on that road, still closed. I heard it burned up pretty good up there. Not letting anybody there yet. There's your water warning. Do not drink or boil. Conserve. And here is Brookdale. I had heard that there was some fire through here, but it kind of seemed like hearsay. Looks like the Brookdale Lodge is still here, though the fire department is posted up. It's good that's still there. That's been a project for years, trying to recover from another fire insurance scam or something or other. Never really figured out the real story on that. Yeah, still not too smoky. Haven't seen any real sign of fire. Oh, there you go. There's ash trees. Fire definitely made it down here. Wow. It smells burnt too. So good through here. Incredible. Incredible. There's your 2 packs of water a day. To keep the doctor away. There's 236. Fire rip-roared all up that way. Yeah, all along the highway here you can see ash and signs that they were wetting down the mountain. Maybe they were just spraying it, I don't know. Starting to get a little smoky again. And then it clears up. Pretty nice here. Roadside cafe. Park's all good, but I do believe some houses burned down right on the other side of that park. Amazing. Still here. Just how I left it. Alright. You guys, that's good news. I'm happy. I like it. I'll have a little actual ride next time. So for now, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.